To eliminate squeaky doors, it's essential to identify the root cause of the problem. One possible reason is that the lubricant on the hinges may have dried out, resulting in a lack of lubrication that causes the hinges to rub against each other, producing a squeaky noise. Applying a lubricant, such as grease, can resolve this issue. Another possibility is that the door components may have aged, in which case replacing the worn-out parts can be an effective solution. If you're not comfortable replacing the components yourself, consider hiring a handyman to do the job. Additionally, loose screws on the door can also cause squeaking, as they allow the hinge plates to shift, creating friction and noise. Tightening the screws can help position the hinge plates properly, thereby eliminating the squeak. By addressing these potential causes, you can prevent your doors from squeaking and enjoy a quieter, more comfortable living space.